Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that could completely change the way beginners start making money online in 2026. Imagine launching a brand new YouTube channel today. 0 subscribers, 0 audience, no camera, no editing skills, no expensive equipment, and potentially building a channel that could generate $100, $500, $1,000, or even $10,000 plus per month over time from YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and digital products. Sounds crazy? Well, here's the thing. Every single day, people are starting brand new YouTube channels from scratch. The opportunity is still massive. In fact, YouTube has more than 2.7 billion monthly users, and over 500 hours of video content are uploaded every single minute. That's a lot of competition. But it's also a huge opportunity because billions of views are happening every day. The real problem isn't opportunity. The real problem is creating enough content consistently. And that's exactly why I wanted to make today's video. Because I recently discovered a new AI software called YouTube Superstar that claims to automate the hardest parts. We're talking about content ideas, script writing, video creation, AI voiceovers, thumbnail creation, SEO optimization, and much more. Let's say you build a channel that generates only $10 per day. That's $300 per month. Scale that to $100 per day, and you're looking at $3,000 per month. Now, combine YouTube ad revenue with affiliate commissions. Unlike paid ads, YouTube videos can continue generating clicks and leads for years. That's the power of digital assets. Success depends on consistency. Compare someone uploading once a week to someone uploading every day. Who has more opportunities to find winning content? The answer is obvious. The best part? You can build faceless channels around technology, finance, or tutorials without ever appearing on camera. It's the perfect way to build an income stream privately. If you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel and saving hundreds of hours, then check out YouTube Superstar at the link in the pinned comment below. Comment capital YOUTUBE below if you're serious about making this happen. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.